Today we'll be covering how to perform a reset on the Island 1 gig router. Island's light ring is normally white while booting and blue in its operational state. However, Island also allows for the following resets as indicated by the color of the light ring. A green flashing light indicates resetting the Island pin. A blue flashing light is a reset that simply enables remote support. A yellow flashing light indicates a reset of the network configuration without losing presets like your pin, filters, event schedules, or other configurations. A red flashing light resets the Island to factory default. To begin the reset process, you will need a paperclip or any straight pin and access to the Island unit. Resetting the Island pin. To reset the pin, insert the paperclip into the pinhole, wait 5 seconds, and the light will begin flashing. When it starts to flash green, release the paperclip. Now, go to the Island app and you will be prompted to set a new pin. No other configuration changes will be performed. Resetting Island to enable remote support. This state is ideal for when you need remote support but have no way to enable it through the app. Once reset in this state to allow remote support, Island's advanced tech support team can assist with troubleshooting by accessing the Island remotely. To reset the pin, insert the paperclip into the pinhole, wait 5 seconds, and the light will begin flashing. When it starts to flash blue, release the paperclip. Resetting the Island network configuration. Use this reset if you need to clear network settings such as IP addresses, VLANs, etc., or have lost contact with Island for an unknown reason and do not want to perform a reset to factory default. In this reset state, you will not lose your PIN, filters, devices, users, or groups, so it is a convenient interim state in which to troubleshoot. As a side note, Island has a built-in failsafe mechanism that ensures if you make a network change and then would lose network connectivity because of this change, Island will recognize the conflict and automatically back out of that change before it is saved to prevent that loss of connectivity. To reset the network configuration, insert the paperclip into the pinhole, wait 5 seconds for the lights to start flashing colors. And as soon as the light starts flashing yellow, release the paperclip. Now when you go to the app, you will see it has refreshed all network information such as IP addresses and VLANs. Resetting Island to factory default. Perhaps you want to move Island to another location or account altogether and do a fresh install as if it were a brand new unit. Then you want to perform a factory reset. Take the paperclip, insert it into the reset pinhole, and hold. And as soon as it starts flashing red, release. After several seconds, Island will automatically power off. Turn the unit over, unplug it, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Wait for it to power up. The light ring will turn white. Wait about 20 seconds and the light will turn blue. Now, as soon as you access the app, you will be prompted to initialize Island as if it were a new install. For more information, education, or troubleshooting tips, see our library of training videos at support.islandrouter.com/videos.